Hi guys, and welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add music in Canva video. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to canva.com. Make sure this time you're already logged into Canva when you open your internet browser. In here on the upper right, go to Create a Design. In here on the search bar, you will now search or look for Instagram post. The one that says square, 1080 by 1080 pixels. Click on it. Once you are here, you will now be redirected to another website or another tab. In here, you will be choosing what template you want to be using. Once you're here, you're going to click on Styles. Over at Styles, wait for the website to finish loading. This may take some time, so you might need to refresh your internet browser. In here, use the search bar and then look for videos. Then search for videos. Now wait for the results to finish loading. This might take some time again, but don't worry, I'm still here. Once it's done, you're now going to hover over at videos. This one over here. This will take some time, but don't worry, it will load. Once you're in here, you will see all the videos possible that you could be using in a Canva. In here, click on one and then adjust it to your website or to your canvas. In here, you're going to click on Audio. It's on the left side of the screen. Tap on the music note. Once you're here, the website will load once again. And then, in here, you can now choose some of the audios. But be aware that there are some audios in here that are required to be pro in Canva. For now, you can click on one and then you can use it in the video that you are making over at canva.com. You can even give a preview or a playback by clicking the play button. Now, once you rewind your video, you can also hear your audio come in as well. Once you are already satisfied with your work over at Canva, you can now go over and click on Share. It's on the upper right. In here as well, you can also choose to add more audios or change the one that you have already used. It's okay, sometimes we just need to find the right flavor. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, subscribe.